You don't have to give me a baby for you to be a perfect wife. Because for me, you are more than perfect to be my wife.
Hello guys, good morning. But I have a hunch. Alam na ni Roswell ang lahat.
We can't guarantee her safety kung natapulir siya ni Roswell. Lalo na't malaki ang galit mo sa Yaji.
I'm scared to lose you.
Alam mo, gutom ka na nga. Kung ano-ano na mga sinasabi mo.
Halika na nga. Prepare yourselves. We'll be having visitors tonight.
Paano yung mga tol? Condolence in advance, ah.
Gago.
Dok! Dok!